When you mix nicotine juice, take extreme caution. This stuff right here can kill you if you get it on your skin. Be very careful with the how you cut this. I cut it up into, you know, I cut this down to 25 milligrams, which is safe to vape. But you're doing this at your own risk. So I don't take any responsibility for that. But enjoy the video. All right, so the small bottle in the middle right there. You take any old vape juice bottle and you get a piece of paper and you mark out the dimensions. In this case, the bottle was 2 inches high, so I cut it up into fours. A half inch, 1 inch, an inch and a half, and then 2 inches. And then on the left, you have the USP grade nicotine PG base. It's a 120 milliliter size bottle, and it's 100 milligram concentration. And then on the right, you have like a bottle of like a PG VG mix. I think it's like 30 PG and 70 VG. And I'm going to fill that small bottle with a half an inch of 100 milligram nicotine. Basically, I'm going to fill, a quarter of the bottle with my nicotine juice. And it's a 100 milligram bottle, just to make the math easy for all you guys to understand. Yeah, I'm just marking the back of the bottle so I can see it while you guys can still see the paper. Alright, so I just filled it up to a quarter of an inch. And you'll see it in a second right there. It's right at that black dot. That's a quarter inch. I mean, not a quarter inch. It's a freaking half an inch. Now I'm going to fill the rest of the bottle up with my PG VG mix. Just PG VG. You can do all PG, all VG, or you can mix it, 50-50, 30-70 like I did, whatever. So now what I'm left with is basically 25 milligram juice. 25 milligram nicotine juice, which is pretty high, but that's how I like it. Because I used to smoke back a day. Now I'm going to test it out real quick. But, like if I wanted to make it less, I would just divide the bottle up into different dimensions and do the math. It's real easy with 100 milligram nicotine, because you cut it into 4 and you have 25 milligram. You cut it in 2, you have 50 milligram. Then you cut it in 2 again, and you have straight 100. Basically, it's just easy to do math when it's 100 milligram. That's why I bought it. So now I'm gonna vape it and see how it is. There's no flavor. I didn't add any flavor. Not yet, at least. But that's it. That's how I mix it up.